welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Today I'm going to be trying this Pilgrim's 24 Carat Gold Facial Mask. I have been coming across this on so many shorts and reels. Everybody are trying this and they are telling they've got extremely amazing results, and I really wanted to give it a try, like if it's actually an amazing product or if it's just a hype. Also, for a fact, it's a Korean skincare product, so let's try this 24 Carat Gold Face Mask from Pilgrim and see how it works or if it actually works.
1 hour later.
I kind of tried understanding the ingredients. There are too many ingredients in this, but there's also perfume in this, which I am a little not happy about. The main ingredient is there's also gold leaf, but it says
100% vegan, cruelty free, no parabens, no sulfate, no toxic chemicals.
Now let's unwrap it. Now let's try this. Also, very important, this is not a sponsored video. Only got, okay? I want to try and let you know if this actually works. You know when we were at school, I used to use this colored glitter pens or glitters, the tube glitters that we used to get. So some reason it smells like that. I mean, I might be wrong. It's very similar to that smell. This is the texture. This is how it looks. This is like jelly. The texture, at least from outside, it feels like jelly. So this is how I am right now. Let's see how much of difference it's going to bring. So you are supposed to leave this on your face for 20 minutes after you apply and then wash it with lukewarm water. So let's start painting on my face. You know, when we used to have annual day in schools, and if your theme was and something related to Egyptian dance or something, they used to paint the full face gold. I'm getting that vibes right now. Okay, I've applied. The texture is very nice. It's very thin. It was very easy to apply, not like the other masks that are thick. This is more like, you know, the texture is very thin, very easy to apply. Like if it's just like as if I'm applying aloevera gel. Like it's very thin. Now I'm gonna be leaving it on my face for 20 minutes and then wash it off. For now, I don't have any burning sensation. I think that was something that I was worried about. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I expected it to be completely dry, but it's not that dry yet. Like, it's still there. So I'll just go and wash this off with lukewarm water. Wash my face. Talking about the product, so this is the results. I feel my skin did get brightened. It is also got very soft. Feels very fresh. As a product, yes, it works, but I'm not sure if it's actually worth the hype. I still feel I think you can get this glow even at home by doing any of your DIY turmeric masks. So if it is worth the hype, then I must say 50-50. To make it short, if you don't want to spend money but you still want to get that facial like glow at home, then probably you can do a DIY turmeric mask. But if you are lazy and you don't want to spend time doing any DIY stuff, then this product is for you. I am a person who loves DIY face mask at home. I very often apply turmeric face mask, so I get the same result. So it's not something that made me go wow. But yeah, you can give it a try. Any now and then you are bored of doing DIY face masks, you can apply this because in 20 minutes you're good to go. That's it from my end. I got this on Amazon, so if you want to try this, I would have put the link in the description box below. And as I already said, this is not a sponsored video. This is my real review. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. I'll be trying more such products in the future, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.